Today on Unbox Daily, we are taking a look at Lost Kitties Mice Mania. Who's hiding inside? For ages 5 and up. So mice have entered the Lost Kitties world. We saw this at Toy Fair and I thought it was so much fun. Hashtag squad goals. Look, mice have been added to the group photo. Love it! On the back of this carton, it says that there are over 170 to collect in 2019. That's a lot of Lost Kitties. This is Series 3. We found these at Walmart. The little wheels of cheese were $2.88. The cartons were $4.88. And the cans of spray cheese were $9.88. Loving the whole cheese theme because of the mice. Let's start with a wheel of cheese. On the back, it says we will find one figure, shaping compound, a meme sticker, and a collector sheet. Let's open the top. I think this is where the collector's guide is. And yeah, it's a poster on one side of mice having a great time in the cupboards. On the other side, we can see a list of the mice that are available. They are divided into categories like hashtag so cute, mood, got skills, cheese please, pocket pal, and at the bottom you can see the different availabilities. Super rare, rare, possum, and popular. This one is so adorable. Its name is Fluff Nugget. I need Fluff Nugget in my life. And its availability is popular, so my chances are pretty good. In the collector's guide, we found our meme sticker, Cookin' Like a Boss. Now we open the area with the cheese wheel. It is a small blue plastic container. Let's pull the side. Which way is it supposed to go? I'm thinking it goes this way? I'm gonna break a nail. Let's get scissors. Okay, now we just pull this off like you would do a real cheese wheel and pull the sides apart. Come on, there we go. And wow, it's like cheese inside. Bright orange cheese. That is the compound, so we can move that aside and look for our little mouse. I think that's it in the plastic bag. Yay! It is perforated so we can tear it open. And there is our first little mouse. Cheesecake. And it is the same mouse that is on the meme sticker. Cheesecake's availability is possum. And we get all of this cheese-like substance to play with.
Non-toxic, contains wheat, compound not intended to be eaten, to clean, allow compound to dry, then scrape or vacuum.
Very helpful instructions there. But I would suggest playing on a protected surface. This is a very bright orange, and there might be a possibility that the colors could transfer onto things that you don't want orange. And when playtime is over, we can place the top back on and close it up until next time. We are on the hunt for Fluff Nugget. So let's see what our meme sticker is this time. Beware, I'm a wizard. I don't think this is Fluff Nugget. Let's open it up. There we go. And wow, that's right on top. That made it easy. Our mouse is Santiago. But we are looking for Fluff Nugget. This is my last little cheese wheel. And the cheese is a different color. This time it's yellow. Well, when I say cheese, I mean shaping compound. But we're going to say cheese because, you know, it's inside of a cheese wheel. And right here we have Fluff Nugget! I can't believe we found our little Fluff Nugget! And it looks like a mouse walking a hairball. It's kind of gross when you think about it. Yeah.
This is my Fluffy.
To celebrate finding Fluffy Nugget, let's do a Lost Kitties Mice Mania quick craft. Craft time! I am going to make a cheese hat for a doll using quick erasers from the dollar store. They are kind of like a sponge, but they're pretty dense and don't have a lot of large holes. Cut a triangle from the sponge that is large enough to fit the doll's head. Carefully make a hole in the center. This stuff tears pretty easily, so it can sit on top of the doll's head. Carefully make a few holes on the top and on the sides. Using a dark yellow satin acrylic paint, paint the sponge in all of the little nooks and crannies. Allow it to dry. While waiting, let's look for some more lost kitties. Mice Mania! Inside of the carton, we will find one figure, 2 accessories, a container with lid, stickers, the compound, and a collector's sheet. We open it just like a regular carton of milk, only we have to open the entire top. Then let's take everything out that is inside. The poster on the collector's sheet is different. We have a picture with kitties and mice. On the other side, there are new categories like Catitude, Adorbs, Cathletic, Noms, Workin' It, and Intruders. These are all cats, and this one is a mouse. My favorite category is definitely the Noms. Time to find out who's hiding inside. Our shaping compound looks like milk. So let's just move that out of the way so we can remove the bag and see our lost kitty. This is Feisty Felicia. From Catitude, Felicia is popular. The accessories are a tiny saxophone and fries. Here is the sticker of Felicia, and the shaping compound can be stored in the container with a lid. I wonder who's next. The color of the shaping compound tells you the availability. White is popular, brown is possum, a yellow-orange mixture is rare, and then the one with the dots is super rare. This is brown, meaning that the kitty inside is possum. I am hoping it's from the Noms collection. Those kitties are so cute! And it is! We have Chewy stuffing its face with a bunch of french fries. The accessories are a stethoscope and a backpack. Okay. And of course, there's a sticker to match. We are on our last carton, and the compound is white. Gotta dig through it to find the bag. This gets kind of messy, but it is totally worth it to get a new lost kitty. From #Adorbs, this is Bonbon. Let's check out the accessories. And it looks like another backpack. Okay, and the other thing is a first place medal. Aww. The accessories seem a little random, but they could totally be fun in the dollhouse. We didn't find any mice that time, but who knows what we're gonna find in these large cans of sprayed cheese. Remove the cap. There is a surprise in the lid. I'm thinking this is one of the kitties. Yep, it is. It has on a scarf, and I think those are earmuffs, but there's no fluffy part at the end. There is a nozzle at the top, and you can see the cheese inside. I am pulling off the wrapper and tearing right through what looks like my collector's guide. So yeah, in the future, be careful. We get a new poster and new friends to collect. On the spray can, there are some instructions. After removing the cap, remove the tape from the bottom, unlock it, then twist. And we should start to see the shaping compound come out through our can. Whoa, and there's stuff in it. Okay. This must be where the mice were hiding. Yep, they were hiding in there. This is Ah and Chew. Whoa, mice were hiding inside the cheese. I don't know what I would do if I ever actually saw that. Ah! Sell the house, we're moving! But these little mice are so cute, and they fit on the side of the cat to complete the earmuffs. We can remove the nozzle and put the cheese back inside so we can play again and again. This time, our cheese is mouse-free. Included, there is a comic strip featuring our lost kitties and mice. We have one more can of cheese. Our compound is yellow this time, and our kitty cat is pink, and it looks like someone has been coloring it. Let's spray out our cheese to find the mice. The first one is a little blue mouse with a marker. Well, now we know where the doodles came from. And the second one is another blue mouse with a marker. Aw, poor little kitty, who apparently didn't look that way before its nap. I gotta say, the mice are a very cute addition to our Lost Kitties collection. Ooh, let me check on my cheese hat. It is completely dry. Now our dolls can walk around town looking like cheese. No, seriously, you gotta try it. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at Lost Kitties Mice Mania Series 3 and made a cheese hat. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily. And that's our collection for now.